Amidst the emptiness and hardness of this life, rebuild the altar of the Lord. When fiery trials come, repile the stones of faith. Be molded by His word. Revive the spirit and renew your strength in Him. In His arms we hold, and in the midst of dryness He will send the rain. Rebuild the altar of the Lord. Rebuild the altar, be lightened by God's flame. Restore the glory and honor of His name. Reveal His righteousness and His redeeming power. Children of God, let us rebuild the altar. His blessings will be poured out like the drops of rain. His grace is always new. Come to Him and turn from all the wicked ways, and He will turn to you. Every day we will commit our lives to Him. Show His brightness to the world. Let the light of truth of God be seen in us. Rebuild the altar of the Lord. Rebuild the altar, be lightened by God's flame. Restore the glory and honor of His name. Reveal His righteousness and His redeeming power. Children of God, let us rebuild the altar. Day and night let us worship as a family, for this is one of the way we can rebuild the altar, be lightened by God's flame. Restore the glory and honor of His name. Reveal His righteousness and His redemption.